In the words of Niccolo Machiavelli, it is not titles that honor men, it is men that honor titles. Each one of you individual here is indeed an achiever. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I begin, my style of oratory is quite unorthodox. I'm here to speak to you about, of course, the wonderful Karnataka Educational Awards 2023, Youth Efforts for Society Trust, the Yes Trust, and the most important Karnataka Book of Records. All of this, ladies and gentlemen, it is one man which defines all roles. Please put your hands together for Mr. Mir Samim Raza. All right, before I begin, यहाँ पर किस किस को हिंदी आती है? हाथ उठाइए. आती कि आता? हिंदी आती या आता? मेरे को भी आती. गुलिस्तान से गुल चुनने को दिल करता है, बना के ख्वाब तुम्हें दिन बुनने को दिल करता है. देखने को बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स हैं हिंदुस्तान में, लेकिन बस तुम ही हो कर्नाटका एजुकेशनल अवार्ड्स जिसको सुनने को दिल करता है. My dear friends, it's an absolute honor to be among such distinguished gathering. Here we have galaxy of leaders, revolutionaries, and industry experts. I'm truly honored with your presence here. Over the last couple of years, ladies and gentlemen, the Youth Efforts for Society has been doing some fantastic work. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, when our country was dealing with COVID-19 and all its issues, it was Mir Samim Raza and his team which were all out there to rescue us, get us oxygen, get us hospitals, medical facilities. This deserves a huge round of applause. Youth Efforts for Society is a conglomerate of all young and dynamic individuals coming together for the best of society. The Yes Trust, ladies and gentlemen, has been doing some spectacular work. Many of the able ministers, including the Chief Minister and several others, have been aware, along with the media, of all the great work done by them. And yes, the most important part this evening, let me tell you, the Karnataka Educational Awards I've been associated over the several years. These are one such prestigious awards, ladies and gentlemen, which truly honors talent. Talent to whom? Guru Devo Bhava. My guru told me, ऐसी बोली बोल के कोई ना बोले चुप, ऐसी जगह बैठ के कोई ना बोले उठ. Yes, you can applaud as much as you want. You need to speak so well, so beautifully good that nobody asks you to stop. You need to place yourself in such a position that nobody asks you to move out of your respective position. With that, my dear ladies and gentlemen, let me also speak to you about the Karnataka Book of Records. How many of you have heard of the Guinness Book of World Records? Fantastic, very good. How many of you have heard of the India Book of World Records? Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an absolute honor to me, Syed Asad Abbas, to present to you the Karnataka Book of Records. Yes, young and individual dynamic professionals such as you all have an equal right and opportunity to be a part of this prestigious record book. Again, this is ably led by the Yes Trust, Mr. Mir Samim Raza, and his team, who go across the length and breadth of Karnataka to scout for young and dynamic individuals like yourself and your talent to show that you are a Yuva Ratna of Karnataka. With that, my dear friends, on a lighter note, how many of you are married? Please put your hands up. Don't be sad, it's all right. Mistakes happen. I'm just joking. Okay, very good. Married, yes? Sir, you raised your hand twice, so does it mean you've been married twice? Okay, how many of you are happily married? Sir, you look very happy. What's the secret? I need to know. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a beautiful saying, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Am I right? Yes? Come on, tell me. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. Yes or no? Okay, behind every successful man, there is a woman. Behind every unsuccessful man, there are a lot of women. Sir, you're clapping hard. That means you agree. Okay, but you look like a success. Wife is cute when she's mute. Wives are laughing. Husband is honey when he gives money. But today it's the other way around, isn't it? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, today it's all about strength to strength. I believe in equality. Equality of men, equality of women. We are today a Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Many a times when I speak on the primetime TV debates on NDTV, India Today, CNN, Times Now, including the Republic TV, I always believe and say that excellence is a journey, my friends. Excellence is a pursuit. Every single individual out here is somebody who is extraordinary in your respective field. With that, let me tell you, George Washington once said, when you do the most common things in life, in the most uncommon way, you command the attention of the world. With that, my dear friends, every single one of you here has commanded that attention. Let me conclude my speech by telling you the great lines of which I was a part of, Josh Malehabadi. He once very beautifully said, "Zinda rehna hai to mere karwan bankar raho. Is zameen ki pastiyon mein aasmaan bankar raho." Always remember, my dear friends, your peak of eloquence comes at the right time. Thank you very much. It was such an honor and pleasure speaking to all of you. My name is Syed Asad Abbas. You can, of course, see me on the primetime national television media. But if you want to connect with me, how many of you are on social media? Facebook, Twitter, Instagram? It's MC_Abbas. M stands for Master, C for Ceremony, _ABBAS. Please do connect with me, dear awardees. I'd love to connect to each one of you present here. And please do remember, yes, trust, the Karnataka Educational Awards, and of course, the Karnataka Book of Records. One man who deserves a huge ovation, ladies and gentlemen, Mir Samim Raza, a revolutionary, a philanthropist, and of course, one man whose heart beats for young India and the people of Karnataka. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Such an honor speaking to you. And there's a Latin saying, which goes something like this: nec dextrorsum, nec sinistorsum. Neither to the left, neither to the right. One straight path to success. Remember that. Post hoc, ergo propter hoc. After this, therefore because of this. Thank you. Such a pleasure. Thank you.